Hey everyone, I wanted to talk about HydraFacial today. Obviously, it's one of my favorite treatments that I do. It's one of my most useful treatments to give me a lot of time with the patients, assess their skin, really get to know everyone's unique skincare and what they do to their skin on a daily basis. It gives me the time to analyze and the time to listen and hear what the patient's concerns are, and it also gives me a lot of time to input my own ideas, my own spins on things, and utilize my experience and the tools that I have here at the office to really help the patient and achieve their goals. Usually the hydrofacials that I do encompass deep pore cleansing. Here lately I'm using masks and organic oil to do the first cleanse, and I think it's really important to customize, and it's really important to understand what different chemicals do to different skin types, and mix and match, and what enzymes do. Masks are something that you can do at home. It's so imperative that you choose the right mask for your skin type. Lately, I'm having patients do very odd things to their skin post-treatment. Mostly you want to think about calming the skin down post-treatment, and certainly at the beginning of a session like HydraFacial, my goal is to not only degrease the skin and get it nice and clean, but also not irritate it, right? So using a nice hydrating mask, like the TNS hydrating mask by Schematica, or using I love the one by, it's a vitamin C hydrating enzyme mask, and I really love that one. It's really important to gently cleanse with the different tips on the HydraFacial, and that's what I love doing. It's very customizable. So there's different strengths of the tips, different exfoliating properties depending on the tip I choose. And I really enjoy doing not only the glycolic peel, but being able to pick what strength I want to use. And then there's boosters on top of that. So, I mean, we can have a whole separate video on boosters and why they're so important, but the HydraFacial has 4 main ones. It's got a growth factor booster, a brightening booster, a dermal builder booster, and my favorite right now, the Sente booster. I love the Sente booster because it creates short-term hydration and long-term hydration, as well as tightening. In the middle of my HydraFacial treatments, to me, that's where the magic happens, and that's where it becomes a bespoke treatment. What is bespoke? That means that I'm customizing the length, the duration, the time, the amount of massage. That is so important. You know, not only energetically, it's very important for us to have healthy touch, but it's also so important for us to have that connection, and for me to use my hands to be able to mold and be able to work the muscles and use different forms of tapoman, effleurage. These are all classic European facial techniques that have been used forever. So I definitely spend a lot of time in my neck, shoulder, facial massage, and I incorporate my gua sha tool now and the jade roller. So it's been a lot of fun to really bring unique ancient tools, right, into a modern setting. And I feel like that's my point of view, and that's something that I've really created a protocol that everyone can expect when they come to see me. And then the other super important thing is what you're using. So please look at your ingredients. When I do my facial massage, I typically use organic almond oil. I find that the slip works really well. I like organic jojoba oil on my hair. I use, once a week, I do a hair treatment where I exfoliate the roots with, it's a darshana oil made for the hair. So it's really important that you're using the right things for the right parts of your body. I use coconut oil on my body. I just feel like coconut oil on the face is not the right slip and consistency and not the right molecule. So it's important to use the right facial oils. My favorite total indulgence treat is the gold elixir oil that I get at Honey Bell Shop, and with the Josh Rosenberg hydration spray. That's an absolute indulgence that I highly recommend you check out. And that you can do on a daily basis with your gua sha tool. At some point, I will be using my crystals. So this is my selenite wand, and I love selenite. You can make grids under your bed for selenite. It's for angel protection, you know, for intuition, psychic healing, but also it really helps energetically cleanse the room or myself. And after I'm working with a lot of different patients, it's so important to approach each patient with a clean energy. So a lot of detail and thought and intention goes into meeting everyone where they're at, but also making sure that my own energy is clean and clear. So we'll get more into crystals at another point. But suffice it to say, I just wanted to give you some details on how the structure and foundation of HydraFacial is used in a practical setting and in a medical setting to really deliver beauty on the inside and out, and really combine a health coaching perspective with a really good spiritual practice, excellent listening skills, and things that you can do at home. Because really, at the end of the day, it's like diet and exercise. You know, if you want to lose weight, you have to work on your diet every single day. So there are things that you all can be doing at home every single day. And then, you know, you want to go to the gym, you know, 5 times a week. You want to work different muscle groups. You want to do a little cardio and make it unique for yourself. And at the end of the day, that's all that matters, is that we honor our bodies and our own journeys and understand where we're at in our age groups and understand where we're at in our lives, because stress also plays a huge factor in what our skin looks like. And don't forget, you can always do celery juice. Check out the medical medium and check out his work with acne and celery juice. This is a basically no cost option to rid your body of viruses, bacteria, acne, help that liver, clean out that system, and that's something you can easily do every day. So, hope this helps. Hit the like, share, comment button, please. Let me know if this has been helpful. Share your journey with me. I'm interested. We'll talk more about masks and other really fun things that we can add next time I visit with you, okay? Thank you.